Sometimes in a video, you need to bring information or data to life in a visual way. You want to take viewers beyond the numbers by presenting them in a context they can understand. But if you're not an animator or a graphic designer, this can seem like a daunting prospect. Enter animated infographic templates, pre-made After Effects or Premiere Pro templates that allow you to pick the style of a graph, chart, or illustration you want to use, and simply add your data while it automates the animation. Choose the type of visual you want to use, add your statistics, and watch the graphic adapt before your eyes. That's how easy it is to use these templates. But there are a lot of them in the marketplace, so to help narrow down your options, we've compiled this list of the 10 best animated infographic video templates of 2020. All items featured in today's list are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find a link in the description. Number 10. Percent Pack 2.0 by Joe Production is a playfully animated infographic set. It mixes regular graphs and charts with real-life objects like rulers and martini glasses, allowing creators to illustrate their statistics in unique ways that align with the video's subject. It offers full color control and works with After Effects with no plugins required. Number 9. Simplex by Elmake is a beautifully simple bundle of infographics. The designs are minimalist, built to be placed over video footage or motion graphics. It offers a number of creative infographic scenes, word clouds, lists, icons, and more. And the colors are completely adjustable. It's a comprehensive pack that's incredibly versatile. Number 8. Video Info Kit by DreamYard Visuals is an excellent pack to help create explainer videos. It features a modern, simple design that draws attention to the data you're presenting in a creative way, and it comes with a range of graphs and charts to showcase information and statistics. It even includes a template for lower thirds. It's a handy kit for corporate presentations. Number 7. Statistics Theme Pack 1 by Haifa is a comprehensive pack of sleek animated infographics. Focusing on illustrating statistics, the pack features 22 beautiful pre-made graphs and offers a range of different themes, including light and dark color schemes. All the animations feel smooth and modern, and the color schemes are professional and clear. Number 6. Beautifully on Trend, Easy Infographic by Motion Wizard Studio meets the moment with simple, punchy infographics that focus on large, clear text and feature gradients. This pack is offered in both After Effects and Premiere Pro versions, with all animations feeling modern and incredibly smooth. It comes with a great range of graphs and templates for highlighting statistics, and it's incredibly eye-catching. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato channel for more. Number 5. Motion Media Group's Modern Infographics Creator is a collection of sleek graphs and charts presented in a cinematic way. The incredibly modern-looking dark color scheme is balanced out by the colorful elements that make up each graph. Straight out of the box, it's a template you can use to display statistics in a visually stunning, professional manner. Number 4. Simple Infographics by Aquavite is a set of mostly white animations built to be displayed over footage, animated patterns, or over the shoulder of a presenter. The design is simple and minimalist, but clear, with templates for a large range of graphs and charts, as well as titles, lower thirds, and social media handles. It's a comprehensive collection that's neutral enough to fit almost any project. Number 3. Flux VFX have done it again with their Infographics Mega Pack. The authors, who have previously made very popular social media captions packs, have proven their ability to create high-quality, eye-catching graphics with this exciting collection of animated infographics templates. From piles of money to colorful charts, this pack offers great ways to make your statistics pop on screen and engage your audience. Number 2. Archive Explainer Infographic by Diative is an excellent-looking pack that is useful for explainer videos. It features templates for animated graphs, company timelines, sales pitches, and offers unique ways to blend your footage with the template. Its design uses simple, playful colors and features beautiful, bouncy animations. It's basically like a high-quality PowerPoint template for video. Number 1. Finally, Elegant Corporate Package by Elmake is a gorgeously constructed template pack that can show off your company and its results. It features a collection of infographics, graphs, logo intros, titles, animated icons, photo slideshows, and lower thirds. It's colorful, smooth, and sophisticated in its style, featuring a beautiful embossed shadow effect. It all helps attract the eye and tie in your footage and statistics seamlessly, making you and your business look professional. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best animated infographic templates of 2020. All the items featured in today's video are listed in the description. Be sure to check out the next video selected just for you, and leave us a comment letting us know what top 10s you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.